Artists are drawn to the Utrecht lines of color, the acrylic, the oil, the watercolor, primarily because they are monopigment developed. The other reason is of the high quality and the loading of the pigment into the formulation. They have a very high pigment concentration.
I've always loved the Utrecht paints from the beginning. I've tried different brands. I was looking for something that's similar to the paints that I was using in the Netherlands, and this comes closest. It has good, consistent color.
I mean, we really are purchasing the highest quality pigments that are available from some of the best suppliers around who hold themselves to high quality standards, and we then in turn also hold them to high standards. All of our batches, when they're processed, go through multiple quality control tests through different parts of processing. We test for grind, we test for color, we test for viscosity, and there's more than one set of eyes that keep an eye on these colors.
It's a great introductory paint, and then it's also a great artist quality paint. So I feel like I can recommend it to students and aspiring artists and professionals as a means of using professional quality while not sort of destroying your wallet at the same time.
You have experienced mill people that have been here for years that know the colors, know the way that they should be milled.
More oftentimes than not, the mixing process is not nearly sufficient enough to break up these particles to adequately disperse the pigment. So you require mechanical force to be able to break these pigment particles apart, and that's where the 3-roll mill comes into play. With the speed the mill runs at, the pressure that the rolls exert on the paint, basically takes these pigment particles and disperses them to the point where you have finished paint.
It's been around for so long, it's handmade here in the United States, and just the value for how much pigment is in the paint and how the paints go on to the canvas and the board, and the compatibility with other paints, just all these things linked together make it one of the best paints for the value.